Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to set up FunctionalJ.io to work with Eclipse. In case you don't know, FunctionalJ is a library that helps us to write functional style of code in Java. There are many features in FunctionalJ. If you go to FunctionalJ.io, you can see a list of features there. You can click on that and see example there. Most of these features already work with Eclipse and Gradle and Maven and everything, except for type, because types make use of annotation processing. So even though it worked right away with Gradle and Maven, the generated class may not be recognized by Eclipse. So that's why what this video will show you how to set it up. So let's get started. Okay, so I have an empty Eclipse workspace here. I'll create an empty Gradle project. Let's call it try FunctionalJ. Okay, this is a bare bone empty Gradle project that Eclipse generate for us. It already have built a Gradle, but we are not going to use this. Let's go back to FunctionalJ.io page. If you scroll down to the bottom, I said there's a section called usages. You can see for Maven and Gradle. You can go to click this and go to FunctionalJ, use FunctionalJ Gradle project, and go to build Gradle. This has a proper build.gradle that you can use. So I copy this and paste here. Notice that the version I'm using is 0.1.66.0. Make sure that you get the version that you want. If you want the latest version, which you should, then you can go to the GitHub page for FunctionalJ. Click that link and then go to Gradle properties file, and then you see the latest version. Just have to add .0 at the end. All right, come back to Eclipse. Now we have this set up for Eclipse. We need to make sure to refresh Gradle project. This will tell Eclipse to download necessary dependency specified in build.gradle file. Once we have that, we have to tell Eclipse to use annotation processing. So I'll go to property. The link is kind of, the menu link kind of go out of the screen here, but it's called properties. So you go to properties, you go to Java compiler, and in that you see annotation processing. Just have to enable it. Everything else is the default value is fine. Then go into factory path. By factory, it's just annotation processor factory. So you set it, check this enable project specific setting, then click on add variables. Go to M2 repository. So this is basically a Maven repository, the local one that you have on your home. Then click extend. Now you can browse to the one that you want. In this case, it's called FunctionalJ types. Click you there and select the jar file of the version that you want. In this case, it's 0.1.66.0.jar. Then you apply. I don't know why it asks yes twice. Now let's see if we can use it. So I'll create a class. Let's call this class try struct maybe, which is a type in FunctionalJ. Let's make it in the package called try FunctionalJIO. So let's create a struct. Let's call that a person struct, and every person will have a name. then we annotate it with struct. Let's try to use it. Notice that I use var is Java 10 features, but FunctionalJ will work with Java 8, so it doesn't matter. You can use Java 8 with this. So let's put my name in it. That's it. So you can create a struct using FunctionalJ struct, and then you can use it. So that is all for the setup. Hope you enjoy FunctionalJ and its features. And if you have any question, just post in the comment. All right, enjoy coding. Bye bye now.